Bharat Serums and Vaccines Limited has always been dedicated towards the betterment of women's health. Introducing Lonopin Pen, protects hope successfully. The Lonopin Pen is designed to empower women with convenience. It is easy to carry and administer. Let's walk you through these easy 7 steps for using a Lonopin pen. Step 1. Cartridge loading. Open the pen. Then separate the pen's body from the cartridge holder. After that, place the cartridge in the holder. Metal side first. Hold the cartridge through the provided window of the cartridge holder to avoid the cartridge from falling. Then put the pen body and the cartridge holder back together. Step 2. Pen preparation. Clean and sanitize your hands. Check that the Lonopin cartridge is transparent and clear. Clean the upper rubber seal of the cartridge using an alcohol swab. Step 3. Needle attachment. Remove the paper tab of the needle cap and attach the needle cap to the pen. Hold the pen with the needle side up and remove the cap. Don't dispose of the needle cap, as it should be used to cover the used needle while discarding it. Remove the inner shield of the needle. Step 4. Pen priming. Turn the dialer clockwise until the number 2 appears on the dial window. Press the dose button, holding the needle side upward. Repeat the procedure until a small amount of drug pours out. Remember, only perform this procedure when using a new cartridge. Step 5. Dose setting. Now, with the help of the dialer window that allows you to take the exact amount of dosage, set the dialer to the required dose. Do not press the dose button to readjust. Instead, dial back to reset. Step 6. Dose injection. With a 32 gauge fine and 6 mm long needle, the Lonopin pen is ideal for subcutaneous administration, making the whole process less painful. Take note, 1 unit on the dialer equals 1 mg of the drug. Follow the instructions given by your doctor and prepare the part of your skin for injection. Hold the skin lightly and push the needle straight into your skin. Hold the dose button and count to 5 before removing the needle to prevent the dose from oozing out. Check the dialer window. If it says 0, then you have received the right amount of dosage. Remove the needle with care. Step 7. Needle disposal. Put the inner shield back on the used needle. Then remove it by rotating anti-clockwise. Place the needle cap over the inner shield. Wrap the used needle in tissue paper and dispose of the needle. Put the Lonopin pen cap back on the pen. Store the cartridge and device below 25 degrees Celsius. Do not freeze. Empowering women with convenience. Lonopin pen, protects hope successfully.